Faye Business Systems Group Sugar homepage. Today we're going to look at the Sugar homepage, the My Sugar page, Sales page, Marketing page, Custom pages, and Dashlets. This is the homepage. The homepage is designed to provide you with a centralized view of information, and this can be information that's important to you. The homepage allows you to get a quick overview of your customer-related records. As you can see here, we can view module records and activity streams from in this homepage. We group the records and activities into one place, and that is known as Dashlets in a multi-column layout. As you can see here, we have a two-column layout. There are three standard home pages in Sugar. There's the My Sugar, the Sales, and the Marketing tab. The My Sugar is set up to show you records assigned to you. The Sales shows sales-related records and progress, and the Marketing displays marketing campaigns, progress, and lead generation. You can also create your own homepage tab by clicking on the plus sign on the right-hand side of the tabs. To add the page, press on the plus sign, enter your name in the Name tab, select the number of columns in which you would like to see your data. You have a choice of 1, 2, or 3, and then select Submit. So once you've created your new tab, for this instance, I've called mine FayeBSG. You can see that we will have a blank page. We need to add Dashlets to this blank page, and to add Dashlets, select the Add Sugar Dashlet from the right-hand side of the page. So what are Dashlets? Dashlets are user configurable panels that allow you to specify items that you want to view on your home page. The Dashlets display a list of item records similar to the list view displayed in each module's home page. Sugar displays a collection of Dashlets for items such as meetings, activities, accounts, and that can be all viewable on your home page. You can configure each Dashlet to display rows, columns, and filters that you need. For example, you can change a Sugar Dashlet's title or choose to view your own items. You can add and remove Sugar Dashlets as needed. You can add multiple Sugar Dashlets of the same kind. To do this, you can add multiple activity Sugar Dashlets and configure each one differently. You'll see later on an example how we can do this. You can add a maximum of 10 Dashlets to your home page, and the administrator can add or remove this setting. They may only decide to let you add 4 of the Dashlets, and therefore you will only be allowed to add 4 Dashlets. To add a Dashlet, we've selected the Add Dashlet, and we'll come up with a page here that will show us a number of tabs. There'll be the modules, the charts, the tools, and the web tab. In the modules, you can see a list of modules that you can select from. In the charts tab, you will see a list of charts that you can select from. The Tools tab will have a number of tools, and then there is also a Web tab, so you can add web addresses or news feeds. So today I've selected the My Favorite Reports tab, and as you can see as I select that, on the left-hand side, the My Favorite Reports Dashlet will appear. Next, I click into the charts and select Outcome by Month. You'll notice here that the Dashlet has also appeared on the left-hand side, and it has pushed the My Reports down. As you continue to add Dashlets, it will just push each Dashlet down a page further. Some Dashlets will require you to reload the window, and you can do this by clicking on the reload link from that Dashlet. As you can see in the picture on the top left-hand side, the Dashlet hasn't actually appeared, and it requires us to reload the window before it will appear. Another example of this is the Sugar News from the tools, but this time the information has appeared and it doesn't ask us to reload the window. Then from the Web tab, I have selected the SugarCRM website, and as you can see on the left-hand side, it has populated with the website in that small Dashlet. Now I have the ability to move the Dashlets into one of the columns and into a position that I want to see it. To rearrange the Dashlets into these positions, we simply click and drag on each Dashlet and drop it into the desired position. As you can see in the picture below, I've now maneuvered all my Dashlets into 3 separate columns. To change the column layout, click on the top-hand right corner where it says Change Layout, and you will see I have the option to change it to 1, 2, or 3 columns. For this example, I've selected 2 columns, and as you can see, straight away it populates my Dashlets in 2 columns. I can then click and drag them into any location I want them to be. If you hover over the Dashlet header, 2 or 3 icons will appear depending on the type of Dashlet you're hovering over. The majority of these will give you the ability to edit, refresh, and remove them directly from the Dashlet window. For example, we have selected Edit in the My Activity Stream Dashlet, and I have a number of options available to me that is specifically for that module. I can change the title. I can tell it whether I want it to refresh in 5 minutes, do not auto-fresh. I can select the amount of rows I want to see. So if I find that the list is too long, I can say I want 5 rows and only 5 rows will show. I can also select which modules I want the information to draw from, or I can select only my favorites. If I decide I want to delete the Dashlet, it will not delete any of the data in Sugar. As you can see, navigating through Sugar homepage and creating your own custom Dashlets is an easy task. If you'd like more information, please contact Faye Business Systems Group. You can email us at info@faybsg.com. Thank you.